In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to make another Clash of Clans account. Let's start this by opening Clash of Clans app. Once you're in the game, make sure that your account is connected to Supercell ID to secure your account from being lost. Tap the gear icon on the right side part of the screen. As you can see, my account has been linked to a Supercell ID. Now to create another Clash of Clans account, click on this button right here, beside the Supercell ID. Next, tap on the gear icon above your profile. Now, scroll down to log out and tap it. Confirm your action on logging out to proceed. Now you will be redirected to login page of Clash of Clans. Select Play without Supercell ID bot. Wait for it to open the game, and once you're in the game, then if prompted that it has detected a village, then you need to simply select Cancel so you won't be redirected to another account. Now you need to complete the tutorial. It might take for a while to finish the tutorial as this is necessary. When you can access the settings icon, then you can now link your newly created account to a Supercell ID to save your game data. Open the settings, then tap on the disconnected button beside the Supercell ID. Now tap on Next until you see the Get Started button. Next, you can try to link your newly created account to an existing Supercell ID as long as it doesn't have a Clash of Clans data. But for now, let's register a Supercell ID. Tap Continue to proceed, then enter a valid email address. You will be prompted to enter a verification code that you'll receive on your email. You need to simply enter it. Tap Submit button and wait for it to finish. Now tap OK and then enter a Supercell ID name that you want and then tap Continue. Next, choose your avatar, then tap Continue button. After that, your second account has been created. That's about it.